Hunkydory has a new collection of things. It's called Let It Snow. Now there are the papers, the things you would expect, but there's also these. So I just wanted to show you. This is the stunning Snowflake. As you can see, it will die cut on the front of a card, or you can cut it out however you want. Now this is just the Snowflake itself is 7 3/4 inches tall. With the outside cut, it is 8 1/4 inches tall. So it's going to be a stunning, stunning accent for scrapbook pages, cards, whatever you like. In addition, there's also the layering snowflakes, and you can see that they've got the solid base, and then they've got the layers that you can put on top of it to make really gorgeous designs. Then there's also sparkling Snowfall. You can see that large stamp as well as the accent and the greeting stamps. Really, I particularly love that greeting. Then there's also an alphabet, Winter Wishes alphabet. So you can see the snowflakes are on all of the letters. It's nice that you've got uppercase and lowercase in one package. Now, let me also show you what else they have. And in the Let It Snow, there is foiled cardstock, and you're going to get 2 each of 10 designs. So let me show you the designs, and they are gorgeous. As you can see, they're foiled. So the light blue, white, you can see the different patterns, the snowflakes on a medium blue, snowflakes on white, and all of these have silver foiling. Very, very pretty. There's the dots, there's some stars on the darker blue, snowflakes on the lighter. You can see the color palette because I'm going to be showing you that same palette in some of their other products. So this is the Let It Snow Luxury Foil Cardstock. Again, 20 sheets, 2 of everything I just showed you. Now there is a mega buy, and the mega buy has a whole bunch. It comes in a package like this. It is a honkin' big package. What's really wonderful is that the cards have envelopes that match. Now let me show you what you're going to get in this collection. There are going to be 4 styles of cards, and I have Post-its on here to remind me, and you're going to get 10 cards, 10 envelopes of each size. The first one is an A5 size. You can see my note on there. That is 5 7/8 by 8 1/4, and you're going to get that in 4 color combinations. 5 color combinations. Okay, so just like that, all of them, again, envelopes to match. You're going to get 10 each of 5 colors, 10 cards, 5 each, 2 each of 5 colors. Got that? There's 10 altogether of each size, and you're going to get 2 of each of those colors. Gosh, I hope I said that right. Okay, now we're going to go with this. This is a 6 by 6 card. Again, you're getting it in the same colors, same 5 colors, and you're going to get 2 of each one. Again, the envelopes come with them. Now, we have this is a 5 by 7 card. Again, you're getting it in all of those colors, and you are getting envelopes to match 2 of each one of these. Then there is a 5 by 5. So you'll notice, if you remember the colors of the foiled cardstock, they are the same so that everything matches. 5 by 5, 2 of each, envelopes to match. That's what they call a mega buy. So altogether, you're getting 40 cards and 40 envelopes in all of those colors. Now, in addition to matching the cardstock, there is also the Snowflakes foiled and die cut. Now let me show you what they look like. You're going to get 10 sheets of this. This is one of my favorite things that Hunkydory does. These are silver foiled, and they are die cut. So you just pop them out of the back like so, and they're just going to pop right out. And you get the foiling. Now, if you want to add color, just use an alcohol marker on the back, and you'll have a color kind of behind them, or place them on any of your projects and let your paper colors show through. Really, really nice. 10 sheets. It's called Let It Snow foiled and die cut snowflake acetate. I love this. Now, something that isn't done by Hunkydory, but you might want to think about it, are these new papers by Hi-yah. These are the foiled papers. You get 12 sheets in each package. This is the cobalt, but on the back side is shiny, beautiful gold, as you can see. This is Arctic. It is a frosty white, and on the back side is also gold. 12 sheets in each one. And yes, I did write the item number on there, but you can see it by just clicking on the Hi-yah, R-I-N-E-A. So those just will really work beautifully with all of these Let It Snow papers, cards, acetate, as well as the cutting dies and stamps, all from our friends at Hunkydory.